Can a single package truly deliver the full gaming experience, from satisfying clicks to immersive comfort, all at once? The Zhanghong mechanical keyboard mouse headset 3-piece set is here to make a bold claim. This isn't just a collection of peripherals, it's an entire ecosystem designed to elevate your PC setup, especially if you're diving into the world of gaming. Right out of the box, the first thing that grabs your attention is the lighting. The keyboard boasts a cool and dynamic marquee effect, an ambilight display that really brings your desk to life. It's not just static. It moves, it breathes, creating an atmosphere that pulls you deeper into whatever you're doing. The mouse complements this perfectly with its own brand new color breathing effect, making it feel like it has a rhythm, a pulse of its own. It's a visual treat that adds a significant layer of immersion. Now, let's talk about the feel. The keyboard features what Zhanghong calls a mechanical jog. This isn't just marketing fluff. It translates to a high-performance, low-loss mechanical keypress that feels incredibly responsive and durable. It's the kind of tactile feedback that seasoned gamers, and even those who spend hours typing, will appreciate, reminiscent of the robust setups found in internet cafes. You press a key, and you know it registers, giving you that satisfying confidence in every command. Moving to the mouse, the ergonomics are immediately noticeable. It's designed with a fine-textured, skin-like varnish that does an excellent job at reducing hand sweat. This means less slippage during intense moments and a more secure grip overall, which is crucial for precision. And speaking of precision, the 4-speed DPI switch is a game-changer. Whether you need lightning-fast movements for a shooter or pixel-perfect accuracy for design work, adjusting sensitivity on the fly is incredibly easy and effective. Completing the trio is the headset, which, while not detailed in its individual specs, ties the whole experience together. With the visual flair of the keyboard and mouse, the headset ensures you're fully immersed in the audio landscape of your games or media. The entire set connects via USB, making it straightforward and compatible with any personal computer. It's also reassuring to know that Zhanghong stands by their product. They mention a professional after-sales service team ready to contact you and solve any problems in time. That kind of support adds a layer of confidence to your purchase. Overall, the Zhanghong mechanical keyboard mouse headset 3-piece set delivers a surprisingly cohesive and engaging experience. It's ergonomic, visually stunning with its dynamic lighting, and offers solid mechanical performance where it counts. For anyone looking to upgrade their PC setup with a complete, feature-rich, and aesthetically pleasing package, this set offers a compelling solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.